rope.
Okay, here we are. Well, they're finally here. We're going to do an unboxing, see what we have. The Big Frizz H2 vinyl records. We'll start here with this box. It'll give me a minute or two to get it cut open. And inside, what do we have? Another box. 2 boxes. We'll pull one out. Set this over here. And let's see what we've got. We got 2 sides. I'm going to go ahead and cut this one. This is supposed to be the black vinyl record. Ooh, there they are. Wow. There it is. All right. Been a long time in coming, but they're here. Woohoo! These up. See what we've got here. Ooh.
Who's that old man?
Yeah. And there it is. Nice. Okay, we'll grab another one here. This should be the red vinyl. Give me just a minute. Here we go. There it is. This one happens to be number 0001.